Good day, Dr. Arjun. We are Group 4 of the SECE 44, and today we're going to discuss our prototype, GAMED, Geriatric Automated Medicine Dispenser with Alert System. So for the problem, may I call it Iverson Baybayan?
For the problems in challenges in medication management, first we have the increasing population of older adults and PWDs, errors and misidentification of manual starting, non-adherence to medication, health risk, and from missed or incorrect dosage.
So for the solution, I'm here to introduce to you the solution that we've developed for the critical issue of medication management among older adults. So our device, GAMED, addresses the challenges through several innovative features. Firstly, syempre yung ano dyan, automated medication sorting using AI. So this ensures accuracy and eliminates the risk of manual errors. Next is it's equipped with GSM module that sends timely text message alerts to user and reminding them to take their medications. Next one will be the user-friendly interface. This would be the intuitive control and easy to read LCD display that makes it accessible and simple to use. And also, it addresses the challenges in timely and accurate medication dispensing, which dispenses also the medicine correctly.
For business model, we've identified key partners who are crucial for our success: healthcare providers, technology suppliers, manufacturers, logistic companies, and insurance firms. This partner help us ensure GAMED is one of the highest quality and reaches those who need it most. Our value proposition is clear. We provide improved medication adherence, enhanced safety and convenience for older adults and their caregivers. GAMED simplifies medication management with easy-to-use interface and timely alerts. Our cost structure includes fixed costs for R&D and manufacturing, variable costs for components and marketing, and operational costs for maintenance and logistics. Revenue streams come from product sales, subscription fees, service contract, partnership deals, and accessories. With GAMED, we aim to create significant value for our customer and partners while maintaining a sustainable and profitable business model. Thank you for your time and support.
Here we could see the 3D model of GAMED. So I'll discuss to you the detailed overview of this GAMED model device. So the display here is the 3D model of GAMED, showcasing its key elements. First, let's discuss its AI-powered sorting system. So this component utilizes machine learning algorithms to accurately classify and organize medications based on their type and dosage. So this ensures the precision and eliminates the risk of human error. Next, also we have the dispensing mechanism there. So it incorporates stepper motors, and precision actuators. So these components work together to dispense exact dosage of medication. Next is the GSM module. So the GSM module is another critical part of our system. So this notifies the user using SMS alerts in their mobile phone. So this alert serves as a reminder to take their medications. And lastly also is the user interface, which enables the touch control panel and also the display that to provide the real-time information for this medication device. So this interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it suitable for elderly users and persons with disabilities.
So for the target market, the aging population is increasing globally, leading to a higher number of elderly individuals who manage multiple medications daily. This demographic often faces challenges with medication adherence due to memory issues, complex medication regimens, and physical limitations. According to the World Health Organization, the global population aged 60 years and older is expected to reach 2 billion by 2050, up from 900 million in 2015. Next is PWDs. PWDs, including those with physical and cognitive impairments, often struggle with managing their medications due to difficulties in organizing, remembering, and physically assessing their medications. According to the World Bank, about 15% of the world's population, or roughly 1 billion people, live with some form of disability. Next slide, please. For the growing demand for automated healthcare, there is a rising awareness and adoption of technology-driven healthcare solutions designed to improve the management of health conditions and medications adherence. Automations in healthcare is gaining traction, particularly in medication management, due to its potential to reduce errors, increase efficiency, and improve patient outcomes. The global digital health market, including automated medication dispensers, is projected to grow significantly, driven by technological advancement, increasing healthcare costs, and the need for efficient healthcare delivery. The use of AI and smart technology in healthcare is expected to enhance patient care by providing timely alerts and reducing the burden on caregivers. Next slide, please. For the potential market penetration, revenue, and estimates, GAMED has the potential to penetrate the growing market for automated medication management solutions, targeting both elderly individuals and PWDs. Estimated market penetration levels: 1% penetration, targeting 1 of the global elderly population and 1% of PWDs. Next slide, please. For the current progress, our prototype development and testing results. For our prototype state, the current prototype of GMED includes advanced AI technology for medication, sorting, automatic dispensing mechanisms, and a GSM module for user alerts. The prototype has undergone rigorous testing to ensure reliability and accuracy in medication dispensing. For our testing results, initial testing indicates high accuracy in medication sorting and dispensing with a user adherence improvement rate of over 90%. Positive feedback from pilot programs and early users highlights the system's ease of use and effectiveness in managing complex medication regimens. Next slide, please. For the feedback from initial users or pilot programs, early users have reported increased confidence in medication adherence, reduced stress, and improved overall health management. Pilot program participants, including elderly individuals and PWDs, have highlighted the intuitive interface and timely alert as key benefits. As our milestone achieved, the completion of the 3D model and successful validation of AI-based sorting and automatic dispensing features, integration of the GSM module for user alerts and real-time information display on the LCD script, and achieve certification for safety and compliance with medical device standards.
So good day, sir, again. This is our team. I am Mark Adrian S. Batak, and I am the proponent of KMED, and I am the head engineer leading the dedicated team. So I oversee the development of both the software and hardware aspects of KMED, ensuring the seamless integration and optimal performance. So next is Iverson P. Baybayan. It supports us a lead software engineer, our assistant software engineer. So it focuses more on developing the robust AI algorithms for medication sorting and system control. Next is Alfred F. Kappa. It plays a critical role as a hardware specialist. He's the one designing and implementing the precise mechanisms that enable accurate medication dispensing. Next is Regine Nicole Armandawe, which contributes as our user interface designer, creating a intuitive interface that enhances accessibility for elderly and disabled users. Lastly is Rizel Eliza D.Y. Egan. So she's the one who manages the project, ensuring coordination and timely delivery of GameEd. So together, the team combines expertise in engineering, software development, hardware design, and user experience, and project management to realize the vision of improving medication management with GameEd.
Now we will proceed to the financial data. Next slide, please. So for the funding requirements, we need 1,500,000 to produce the first 100 gamut units and bring them to market. The amount needed to bring gamut to market, the total funding required is 2 million, wherein 1,500,000 for production and 500,000 for marketing, R&D, and operations. For budget allocation and breakdown of how funds will be used, we will allocate 2 million budget, wherein the 400,000 for research and development, 1,500,000 for manufacturing, and 100,000 for marketing sales. Next slide, please. For project financials, in the first year, we will be having 1,800,000 revenue and 200,000 loss. For the year 2, 3,600,000 revenue and 1,100,000 profit. For the year 3, 5,400,000 revenue and 2,400,000 profit. Sales forecast and revenue projections. For the year 1, we will sell 100 units for market presence. For the year 2, we will sell 200 units for growth. And for the year 3, we will sell 300 units for expansion. Funding will launch GAMED with plans for initial losses followed by growth and profitability.
As our population ages, the need for reliable elderly care solution has never been greater. GameEd addresses this need with cutting-edge technology that ensures medication adherence and improve health and safety for our seniors. Imagine a world where our loved ones never miss a dose, reducing health risks and providing peace of mind for our families. Investing in GameEd means tapping into a rapid growing market. Our innovative user-friendly system sets us apart, making it an excellent opportunity for financial growth and positive societal impact. To get involved, schedule an initial consultation with us. We'll provide a detailed proposal and business plan leading to a formalized investment partnership. Whether you want to invest, be a partner, or sponsor, there is a way for everyone to contribute to this groundbreaking project. For more information, contact us at gamed@scholarnambayan.pup.edu.ph. Follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to stay updated. Join us in revolutionizing elderly care with GameEd. Thank you.